Ready to turn your kitchen into a luxurious masterpiece without breaking the bank? Stay tuned for 13 game-changing design hacks that'll elevate your space from basic to grand. Because your dream kitchen is just moments away. Let's dive in. Hey everyone! Welcome back to HD Interiors. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 13 ways to make your kitchen look more expensive. If you are working on a kitchen renovation plan or want to refresh your kitchen, I hope this video gives you some ideas on ways that you can make it look more luxurious. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, let's start with something easy that you can implement into your existing kitchen. Do you know those small floor mats you might have around the sink or stove? Well, say goodbye to those. We're bringing in the big guns, long runners. By replacing those small mats with runners that span the length of your floor space, you instantly make your kitchen look larger and more tailored. It's an easy switch that brings a touch of sophistication without the need for a sledgehammer. Now, let's talk about upgrading your kitchen's MVPs, the countertop essentials. We're talking about those items that always seem to find a spot on your countertop, like spoon rests, trays, and canisters. The key here is integration. Let's create a seamless and cohesive look by incorporating these functional pieces into your kitchen design. Say goodbye to mismatched colors and packaging that distract from your overall aesthetic. Think neutral, think stylish. These countertop essentials can do double duty as both functional tools and stylish decor. It's all about that balance. Let's delve into the heart of your kitchen, the countertops. Choosing the right finish can make all the difference. Forget about the high gloss shine, we're opting for a honed finish. Why? Well, picture this, a matte, leathered, velvety look that not only feels amazing but also adds that touch of luxury. It's like the cashmere sweater of kitchen finishes. The honed finish is timeless and elevates your kitchen's appearance, creating a more expensive and sophisticated vibe. Trust me, the natural look of the stone with a honed finish beats the shiny surface any day. So, when you're thinking about countertops, think honed for that elevated aesthetic. Now, let's brighten up your kitchen, literally. Lighting is a game changer when it comes to design. First up, we've got integrated lighting. Think of under-cabinet lights that illuminate your countertop space. It's the first step to elevating your kitchen's design. But wait, there's more. Take it to the next level with task lighting. Picture pendant lights and ceiling lights adding both functionality and style to your space. And for that perfect ambience, mood lighting is a must. Consider small lamps, sconces, or even picture lights to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Whether you're planning a full renovation or working with your existing kitchen, integrating these 3 types of lighting will give your kitchen that designer look you've been craving. Let's talk about maximizing your kitchen's vertical space. Those upper cabinets play a crucial role, and we're taking them to new heights, literally. Instead of leaving a dust-collecting gap, extend those upper cabinets to the ceiling. This not only adds a sense of grandeur, but also eliminates wasted space. You can play around with the design, opting for smaller cabinets on top and larger ones below, or go for the sleek and uniform look with large, long doors. The result? An instant kitchen upgrade that makes your space look huge and impeccably finished. So, when it comes to your upper cabinets, aim high for that elevated and expansive feel. Now, let's tackle the clutter and style. We all have those small kitchen appliances like toasters and blenders, right? But let's keep them out of sight when not in use. That's where countertop cabinets with appliance garages swoop in to save the day. Imagine sleek cabinet towers that stretch from the ceiling to your countertop, providing a seamless and dimensional look. Inside these, you can hide away your appliances behind garage doors. It's like magic, instantly cleaning up the visual clutter and giving your kitchen that effortlessly chic appearance. So, if you're aiming for that designer look, make room for these appliance garages. They're the unsung heroes of a well-designed kitchen. Let's talk about seamlessly blending your appliances into your kitchen's aesthetic. Say goodbye to the usual stainless steel look and hello to panel-ready appliances. These are the superheroes of kitchen design, allowing your fridge and dishwasher to masquerade as part of your cabinetry. It's like giving your kitchen a secret identity. Sure, it might be a bit more upfront, but the flexibility and longevity it brings to your kitchen design are worth it. You can change out the panel for a fresh look whenever you want to switch things up. So, if you're looking for that polished and cohesive appearance, go panel ready for your appliances and watch your kitchen transform into a sleek and unified space. Now, let's turn our attention to the kitchen's unsung hero, the backsplash. When it comes to making a statement, we're opting for a slab splash. Picture this, that same gorgeous finish on your countertop extending seamlessly up the wall. It's not just a backsplash, it's a design masterpiece. Slab splashes create a clean, timeless look that adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen. They're not just practical, they're an art piece in their own right. Plus, they have this fantastic ability to make your kitchen appear more spacious. So, when you're contemplating your backsplash, think slab splash for that effortlessly chic and expansive feel. Let's infuse some personality into your kitchen space. Kitchens aren't just for cooking, they're also a canvas for your style. So, let's talk about decorative details. Bring in elements like art, it's not just for the living room. Lean it against your backsplash, hang it on a shelf, or frame it with a picture light for that unexpected touch of sophistication. And let's not forget about window treatments. Consider cafe curtains or Roman shades to soften the space and add a cozy vibe. These soft details tie everything together, making your kitchen feel more finished and, dare I say, a bit more luxurious. So, let's add those personal touches and make your kitchen uniquely yours. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero of a well-organized and luxurious kitchen: smart storage solutions. Consider pull-out pantry shelves, carousel cabinets, or deep drawers with dividers. These not only enhance functionality but also contribute to a clutter-free and streamlined look. When everything has its designated place, your kitchen instantly feels more high-end and effortlessly sophisticated. And now, let's bring it all together with a pop of color. We're talking about creating an accenting color scheme that ties your kitchen's design seamlessly. Ever noticed how a well-coordinated color palette can transform a space? Well, it's time to bring that magic into your kitchen. Whether you're working with existing elements or planning a full renovation, introducing accent colors to your flooring and design elements adds that extra layer of sophistication. Imagine the warmth and interest it could bring to your space. We're not just talking about any color, it's about choosing tones that complement each other and create a harmonious visual feast. So, let's play with colors and turn your kitchen into a masterpiece. Let's talk about greenery and open shelving. Introduce some potted herbs, succulents, or even a small indoor plant. They not only add a burst of color but also bring life into your kitchen. Combine this with open shelving to display stylish dishes or glassware. It's a simple yet effective way to infuse personality into your kitchen and create a welcoming, upscale atmosphere. For that final touch of finesse, let's talk hardware and fixtures. Swapping outdated or generic cabinet handles and faucets can be a game changer. Opt for sleek, modern, or even vintage-inspired hardware that aligns with your kitchen style. Think of it as jewelry for your cabinets. Upgrading faucets to more elegant or unique designs can also make a significant impact. These small changes might seem subtle, but they contribute to the overall polished and upscale vibe. So, don't overlook the details. Let's give your kitchen that finishing touch it deserves. Alright, so that's it for today's video, 13 incredible design hacks to take your space from mundane to magnificent. We've covered everything from flooring to hardware, ensuring your kitchen exudes that expensive, designer feel without burning a hole in your pocket. Remember, it's not just about functionality, it's about infusing your style into every nook and cranny. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you planning a kitchen renovation, or maybe just itching to refresh your space? Drop your thoughts, questions, or even your kitchen design tips in the comments below. I love hearing from you. If you found these tips helpful or got a spark of inspiration, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And, of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red subscribe button below. Don't miss out on future videos where we dive into all things design, style, and home. Thanks for joining me on this kitchen transformation journey. Remember, your dream kitchen is just a few hacks away. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.